Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn about how to add image caption in Google Docs. First of all, insert a picture in your Google Docs file and then resize your picture and then cut this picture. You can also click Ctrl X from your keyboard and then go to insert table and take two table and then paste here your photo or picture and then select your picture and go to move with text to fixed position on page and then you can set your position and then click here to write your caption. Set your alignment in middle. Now it's time to hide your table, and for this right click your mouse and go to table option and then go to color, hide your color, or you can do this 1 to 0 and that's it. Here is our image caption. I think you should like this video. If you think this is helpful, then consider to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.